welcome to the vlog. This vlog is again just summer days because I like filming vlogs. This recent week I've been very harsh on myself because I don't have routine. I've been very lazy, that's why I've been very mad at myself, I would say. So this vlog I'm gonna be nice to myself. We're just gonna take life easy, do whatever we want. Currently it's already 4 p.m. and I think I just gonna watch Stranger Things because I still haven't watched Volume 2 and I've seen a lot of spoilers, and I'm probably gonna crochet. That's all I'm gonna do. Yeah. I haven't run in like a week, so I feel like I'm gonna be dying today, but we'll see. I'm done. I did a 25 minutes easy run. It wasn't so easy. In the middle of the run, my side started to hurt, so I had to take a break. That sucks. I don't like taking breaks. Hi everyone, Karolina.
Hello.
We're going to the beach today. Woohoo! Yes, because it's very hot today.
Warm.
Hot.
Warm.
It's 27 degrees. It's
Okay,
hot.
it's
It's hot. So we're going to the beach.
In the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
I swam. She also. The water is very good, but it's very shallow, so you're basically swimming kneeling. Does it make sense? I don't know. The sun is gone and it's getting colder. another day, another bike trip.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love,
New day, new Boba.
There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, easier to love,
While we're here, it's quiet. I'm gonna tell you the weird story with public restrooms we had. We were looking for the restroom, and on the map there was like a couple of restrooms, but there was neither of them in real life. And then we like googled where's the restroom, so we went there, and it was the, you know how like public like bathrooms, they usually have this like thing you pay and you go and that's all. This one, it was literally called a flush lounge. It wasn't just wódce, it was a flush lounge, and there was like everything very fancy. There was like couches to sit, playground for kids, there was a guy like cashier, there was candies, like there was like everything. So fancy public restroom. Do you have something to add?
No, just in English it's not what's it's WC.
Sorry, my Eastern European roots are talking right now, okay? And for us, I feel like for us it was like weird that there was like literal young guy cashier, because like in Eastern Europe where we're from, there's literally like a grandma just like collecting cents and that's all. But there was like literally some fancy, so yeah.
We don't have toilets like this.
Yeah, we definitely don't have. Am I in the vlog? Maybe. Can I be in the vlog? Yeah. I vlog. For me, it's like the biggest compliment someone says that my vlog is chill. I was like, yeah, that's my goal.
Are you kidding me? I love the vlog. It like calms me down. I'm a fan.
because they're like, they look like a prince from Shrek, but I'm kind of obsessed with them. I did not film anything yesterday because we just went shopping to buy stuff to. I have to stop doing my hair like that. Yeah, we went shopping and then I had an existential crisis. I'm not even 20 and I had existential crisis. I have them every week. Yesterday was a bad day for vlogging, that's why I didn't vlog. I know at the beginning of the vlog I said I'm gonna be nice to myself. I did for 3 days. I've been cleaning today whole day. Actually not. I was sleeping till 12, but I've been cleaning apartment today. That's why I thought that I deserve a self-care night. And also I saw like 2 vlogs today about self-care day, so I was like, maybe I should treat myself. I did a hair mask, a face mask, and right now I'm gonna go and probably crochet, watch YouTube or journal. I haven't journaled in a very long time, so maybe today is a good day. To go to the flea market. Last week we saw that there is Sunday flea market, so we are going there for breakfast. And on our way we found a shelf. That's a bonus point. There was no food at the flea market, so we came to the bakery and ate, and now we went to the supermarket and bought more stuff because we have a sweet tooth.